Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, pals. I will show all of you how it's work, on CorelDRAW. Okay, that's two images that I will be make this object, look like horse and bird. Let's moving look like natural. Okay, let's try. Before I have experience with this setting. Okay, let's check it out. Wait a minute. Okay, node offset 0.2, transform to and weight 2 millimeters. Okay, the weight is 2 millimeter, transform 2.5 millimeter. Okay, I will take facility transform position. This take the object first, then I will move this object with 2.5 millimeters. That's it. Then apply to duplicate. This. Okay, check maybe okay, then I choose this and make a group. Okay, let's try. It's amazing, I don't believe it, but we will see the results. Okay, we will start this action. 1, 2, 3. Take a look. It's very amazing. Before I don't believe it, so it's now we see the object look like this. It's moving. Okay, you see, I can prove, but the moving from left to right. If we click like this, maybe mirroring for this moving object. Like this. Nothing is not different between moving from left to right or right to left. Maybe we can try for this object. Okay, I will set node offset to 0.5. okay, 0.4 millimeter, and transform 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters, and still this object is 2 millimeter. Okay, I will try to duplicate this object. Look like object horse like this. Object horse. Okay, maybe here. Okay, Okay, look at this. Yeah, it still work. Okay, I will group, and we will start moving this maybe pole or line with height with weight 3 millimeters on here, 2.5 millimeters, and have weight 2 millimeters. Yeah, and I will change the moving object with 0.5 millimeter. Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I don't believe it. It's work. Very amazing moving. Yeah, all of you see the object look like moving. A bird and wings of birds is moving from behind, front, and it's very natural, I think, and we will get the concept how to create animation. Yeah, after this size I will show all of you. We will try this on Photoshop. Yeah, we use motion twin. Yeah, we call motion twin, and the moving same like this. Okay, but now I have idea to try to move this object, but not offset, set on 0.4. Yeah, let's try what the result. Okay, it's very fast, I think. Yeah, it's very fast moving, but if we want to make a slow, we must set not offset to 0.2. Okay, let's try. Well, yeah, okay, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at this. Yeah, very slow than before. If we set 0.5, more fast, but if we use set not offset 0.2, it's very slow. Okay, that's the concept about animation. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson with next scenario, next game, and other themes. Yeah, okay, thank you. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.